Is your engine making weird noises? Here's how to check if it's a big problem or just a minor fix. If it's a serious issue like rod knock, the noise will get worse when you rev the engine. But before you panic, try this trick. Take off the serpentine belt, then start the car. Now cross your fingers. If the noise disappears, good news. It's likely a cheaper fix, like a bad water pump, alternator, or pulley. But if the noise is still there, bad news. You might have an internal engine problem. At the very least, check your oil level. Sometimes it just needs more oil. But if it's been low for a while, you might still need repairs. A quick check could save your engine or your wallet. Follow Good Car for more.